5 kilometers off the Italian coast in the Adriatic Sea, this fisherman is hauling up his catch. Amongst the fish and the crabs, pieces of plastic. This rubbish was fished out from 15 meters below the surface. This boat catches between 10 and 15 kilograms in its nets every day.
We find every type of plastic imaginable here. We have things like this, which seemingly has been in the sea for a very long time.
Until recently, it was illegal for fishermen like Carlo to bring the plastics ashore. But a change in the law means that this rubbish can now be brought back to port and recycled. Local authorities are now offering financial incentives to fishermen to recycle the plastics caught in their nets.
The fishermen have the most to gain from having a clean sea. Removing the rubbish will enable good fishing in the future.
With 7,600 kilometers of coastline, Italy is at the front line of the war on plastics. The Worldwide Fund for Nature estimates that each year, around 600,000 tons of plastic find their way into the Mediterranean Sea. For organizations that clean the beaches, it's a critical issue.
It's a huge problem for the biosphere here. Fish often mistake plastic for one of their natural foods, like jellyfish. When they eat it, they die.
This whale was found washed up on a beach in Sardinia. Inside its stomach, 22 kilos of plastic, prompting the Italian government to make ocean plastics a top priority. But there's a long way to go. Italy remains the third largest polluter in the Mediterranean, behind Egypt and Turkey.